To replace the refrigerator door hinge cam on this GE refrigerator, you will need a ratchet with a T20 Torx bit. Open the refrigerator door, then use the ratchet and T20 Torx bit to unthread the two screws securing the cam. With the screws unthreaded, set the old hinge cam aside. To install the new hinge cam, insert the guide pins into the holes in the bottom of the door. Then thread and tighten the two screws to secure. Once installed, confirm the new cam properly engages the hinge lever when the door is closed.